Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up 2FA for your USPS Informed Delivery, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the USPS website in your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to open the login screen. Enter your USPS account credentials, including your username and password. If you don't have an account, choose Sign Up to create one before proceeding. After logging in, find the Informed Delivery option in the menu. Click on Informed Delivery to access your delivery preferences. Scroll down to the Two-Factor Authentication section on the Informed Delivery page. Click on the Set Up Two-Factor Authentication button. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Choose your preferred method of receiving the authentication code, either via text or email. If you select text, enter your mobile number and click Send Code. If you choose email, enter your email address and click Send Code. Check your mobile device or email for the authentication code. Enter the code into the designated field on the USPS website. Click Verify Code to confirm your identity. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message about the successful setup of 2FA. Ensure that you have enabled two-factor authentication for added security on your account. To test the setup, log out of your USPS account and attempt to log back in. Upon entering your username and password, you will be prompted to enter the authentication code again. Retrieve the code from your chosen method and enter it to complete the login process. You have now successfully set up two-factor authentication for your USPS Informed Delivery. Keep this authentication method secure to protect your account and personal information. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of secure delivery notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.